welcome to Rivers and Coffee. This morning I wanted to show you guys a new kayak I just picked up the other day. This is a sit-on-top recreational fishing kayak. It's pretty inexpensive. It was about $400 at one of our local sporting goods stores here. Wanted to show you guys the kayak a little bit and then float around the lake. This is Round Lake in northern Michigan, and I believe it connects to Crystal Lake. I'm not sure. We'll go over to the other side and check that out. There's a whole lot of fish swimming around out here, a lot of minnows, so I did bring my fishing pole. Thanks for joining me this morning. So this is a Pelican Rebel 100 XP Angler Kayak. It's a fishing kayak. It's 10 feet long and it weighs only 44 pounds. You can see there's some really nice storage up at the front. Your foot pegs, an area here I believe for your cell phone. Some nice handles on the side which have already been quite useful. On the back of the kayak there's a couple of rod holders and quite a bit of additional storage. But the thing that attracted me most about this kayak is the seat. So the seat is a removable seat, and I've had some back issues, and when I saw this the seat on this kayak, I got really excited. I thought, that's for me right there. So I'm going to give it a try, take a spin around the lake, and I'll let you guys know what I think. Okay, my first impression of this kayak is super positive. It's nice and stable, and the seat is super comfortable. And for the price, I think it's a pretty good value. I was going to take a couple of casts, but I could feel something climbing up my shirt, and it happened to be a bee, and it stung me before I could get it out. It's starting to swell up pretty good, so I think I'm going to end the video right here. Remember to take some time for yourself, get outside, and find yourself a little peace. Until next time, stay in peace, Rivers and Coffee.